Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and here I am in Kansas City at one of the community orchards. Behind me, this tree right here is called Yellow Transparent. It's a beautiful apple, and every year I enjoy coming out and picking some of its fruit. Yellow Transparent. Now, an apple tree takes many years before you bear fruit, so the best time to plant one was yesterday. Look at planting an apple tree as an investment in your future, just like a 401k. Evan, go ahead and pick that apple.
It tastes so good.
Not bad. It's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, reminding you that growing your own food is like printing your own money. How you like them apples?